Hey guys, Bill from WTB Woodworking again. Let's check it in on some of the improvements. We got the Avid CNC's nearly up and running. All we have to do is mount the spindle. That'll be done tonight. We've got our print farm up and running. So go ahead and send us any of your printing needs. We can get any of that out to you right away. Comment below, what are you guys printing? How are you using 3D printing and woodworking together, combined? Let's see what that looks like. Let's take a look and see what we got in inventory now. As you can see, the shop has changed quite a bit since the last time we did a video. We've moved the rack around, that is now here. We've added some lumber storage around. We now have another draft of lumber out of the kiln, ash, cherry, white oak. We also have some ambrosia maple up top. Let's see, we already put it into inventory. We have some cherry slabs, 8/4 and 4/4. We have some maple. A little bit shorter slabs there. We have some large ambrosia maple slabs, some 4/4 maple slabs, and of course our standard inventory of lumber that you might need. We have sapele, cherry, walnut, hard maple, poplar, red oak. We actually have a couple walnut slabs. We do have a walnut log coming in. Hopefully the next time we do a video, we'll be able to show you that process of us milling a walnut log and going right into the kiln.